Welcome to another interesting video on FlexSim. We will learn about the Sankey diagram in this video. Let's take a quick look at the Sankey diagram. It is a type of chart which allows you to visualize flow between various points in a system, performance measures and bottleneck analysis. Let's build a model to explore its property. Bring a source, a queue, 5 processors and a sink. Connect the objects as shown. Add a blank dashboard to the model. If you do a double right-click on the blank space, Dashboard Library will appear. And drag the Sankey diagram from the base chart type. We are halfway in our model building. Join our online FlexSim training program and master process simulation with hands-on learning. Create a group with processors and sink. Sankey diagram works based on the input from a statistical collector. Go to the toolbox, click the plus icon. In the drop-down you can see the statistics, select Statistics Collector. Now let's set the properties. Click the plus icon and select Listen to Object option. In the event, get the references of the group we created and select the On Entry Trigger option. Create a label named as From. And give the value as current.object.inObjectsData.port. Create label as To. Give the value as current. Create label as row value and give the value as data.from, data.to. Give row value as data.row value label. Now got to the column tab. Click the plus icon, add 3 columns name as from, to, count, then assign the value for from and a column as statistics collector.getAdData.from and select the storage type as double. In count column give row add value as 0 and event value as increment data value and give the storage type as integer. Go to Event, Column Connections, select the count column in which the event got updated. Go to General tab, here you can view the entries by clicking the View Table. You can see the column names as from, to, count. In this column the label values which we have created will be updated on each entry of item. Now go to Sankey diagram. Select the created statistical collector as data source. Now you can see the connected the dashboard chart and the statistical collector. Let's run the model and analyze the output diagram. The thick line represents the objects in the model. And you can see there are 2 output connection from the queue. And processor 3 and 4 connected to processor 5. 19 parts are moved to processor 5. From processor 3 63.16% of items moved to processor 5, that is 12 items. From processor 4 36.84% of items moved to processor 5, that is 7 items. Now you can see how Sankey diagrams help visualize the entire process flow in a simple and clear way. Easier to analyze, identify inefficiencies, and improve decision making. That you've seen what FlexSim can do, here's a quick look at our full training course, FlexSim Basic Training. It's a self-paced, beginner-friendly series that covers all the essentials of simulation modeling. No paid license needed, every exercise works with FlexSim's free version. Whether you're new or just want a more guided approach, this course gives you the confidence to build real models. Check out the full details on our website, we'd love to have you on board. Happy simulating! For more content subscribe and hit the bell icon.